Well, hello Rusty Gang, and welcome to the unboxing. My name is Chris Vea, and in this video we're gonna have a closer look at this beautiful Heller kit of the SU-27 flanker in 1/72 scale. Alright, so I said we're gonna make this a little bit more fun, and I'm gonna rate. From now on, I'm gonna rate every kit that I'm unboxing, okay? We're gonna make a little game out of this, and it's called How Many Rusties? I have 6 categories, okay? And each category has a potential amount of rusties to gain. The sum will be 10 rusties. That's the maximum. Okay, so here are the categories. First, the box, 1 rusty. Then the instructions, 1 rusty. Then the sprue, which is divided in 4 categories in the sprues, is flash, panel lines, definition, and details. So that makes 4 potential rusties to gain. Then clear parts, 1 rusty, decals, 1 rusty, and there are 2 extra rusties for anything that's special about this kit. It can gain 2 extra rusties. All right, so that makes all in all together 10 rusties. Let's see how high we can rate this Heller kit. So first, let's have a look at the box. What I really like is this table chart here. You have the scale, you see how it's 93 pieces, the size of the model, 6 decorations provided, and 2-in-1. Whatever that means, we don't know exactly, but we're gonna find out. Then of course there's the beautiful box artwork, and the back of the box contains a few information as well. Here is, for instance, a QR code that you can scan to get more information about it. Here's some information about the SU-27 in general. There are some recommended paints. These are Heller or Revell paints which are recommended. Here is the waterslide decal sheet shown, where we have the digital camo, the pixel camo. And what is very, very special here, and what I really like and haven't seen in any other kit, is that remark down here. Because here you can see the original manufacturing year of the mold, 1990. And over here you can see in 2023, it was fully revised. So there was a complete workover of the molds. And that's what I was saying about reborn Heller, all right? Because they took over all the old molds of Heller and completely revised them, did a complete workover, cleaned them, and they say, that's what they promise, that now the moldings are at least as good as they were when the kits originally got released. Minimum. I'm really curious if this is true or not. Let's find out. So it's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet. I'm not cheating. I'm telling you all the time. We're not cheating when we do unboxings. All right, first what we take out is the instructions with a big decal sheet in it. Look how big they are. Wow, these are huge. Gonna put it aside and first quickly check the instructions. And yeah, you see this? This is what I meant by wrapped up. Okay, instructions. The main 2 versions, A and B, and within that choice, you got 3 different markings each, okay? All right. So to me, this looks old. This looks the old style, but it's colored. I don't know if they always have been colored. I wouldn't say. I could imagine that they maybe just colored the instruction. So basically, all the versions are with blue camo, but some are with the pixel camo, and the other one with a yeah, let's say a traditional camo. A lot of stencil markings to do. A lot of, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. My God. So these are the basic versions. Different numbers here from the brigades, I think. Oh, and that's for the other type of version. All the stencils. And here is an overview of what is actually on the sprues, all the pieces. All right, instruction, check. And now the two big decal sheets. That's number one. I think it contains, it contains all the stencil markings above. And then for the versions, for the different brigades. Maybe these here. It says Heller down here. Don't know who printed those decals. They look good, and also the sheet feels good. It's not too thick, the carrying sheet here. Now the one with the pixel camo. I'm sorry if you hear the background noise. There's just thunder going on at the moment. So these are the pixel camo decals. They look crazy. Yeah, here I'm not sure, do they have a film over it? They also feel different. I almost think that not these ones, not these stencil marking, but this ones. Curious. I'm curious. Huge, two huge decal sheets. They are even oversizing the instructions. Okay, now check this out. If you haven't seen this, this will be a unique thing. This is really like unwrapping a gift. Look how the sprues are packed here. Look at this. Look at this. You just take them out. Here are the sprues and oh. Not bad. Not bad, eh? Upper part of the body looks okay, but I can spot some flashes. For instance, here in this area or down here. Yeah, same opposite side. Opposite side here. That's visible. That's visible. Yeah, the edges are not that clean. Also here at the back, the panel lines they look nice. Crisp, sharp, clearly defined. Yeah, they look good. They look good. A little bit of flash. So let's go to the next level. Ooh, somebody is looking through here. This carries the pilot and stabilizers and cockpit and a wheel, which looks really beautiful. Okay. Yeah, some parts look less good and others better. Like here, that part here, the details on this one are very basic. I mean, there are just knobs standing out, you know. But the wheel looks really sharp and crisp and very highly detailed. Stabilizers looks okay, but already here, there's some flash. Yeah, you can spot it. Also on this line here, on this edge, needs a bit of cleaning, but as far as I can see it right now, not extraordinary. And the moldings itself, they are good. Oh, let's have a look at the pilot, man. The pilot, bro. That's a very detailed pilot coming out of the box for a 1/72 scale kit. I'm sure this was not the pilot in 1990. I hardly imagine that. Pilot looks really cool. Oh, that's the other body. There are two bodies, of course, for the two versions. This one has better definition here. Much clearer than the first one. Oh yeah, by the way, look at this. Oh, so cute. This little detail here. I don't know. Panel lines are the same. They have the same quality in the panel lines. Crisp, sharp. But this one looks better. Like, I think here, with this version, there's a bit less cleaning. And I like this. I just spotted that. Look. Next level. Ah, there are many parts here. Okay. This is the underside of the body. We'll just bend it. Pretty bad. Or is it like this? I haven't ever built. It can be bended back, yeah. Okay, so I think you can easily bend this back. but I don't know if this is supposed to be bent like this. Okay, so again here the panel lines are very good, crisp, clear, very well defined. Nothing to worry about. Flash, yeah, here. Can be cleaned, but needs to be cleaned, okay? Yeah. See this? Damaged. Also here, I mean, it didn't came out the mold perfectly, huh? Gotta say that. Can say that. And the main wheels are not as beautiful as the front wheel, but they are okay. What I don't like is, you know, every half has 2 pin marks here. These need to be cleaned. Wings, horizontal stabilizers, and the rockets. And it's a bit messed up here. Let's check for details. On this wing, the panel lines are not that sharp, especially here, in this area here. They don't really, you know, the other wing is good. The upper one here, on the sprue, has nice panel lines. Now let's have a look at the rockets. They have always nasty pin marks. Here we also have some, of course. A few small ones, and they don't look too nasty. And on this side, oh, there are none. Okay, but I think that's a side where they're going to be attached, so you won't be seeing this side. You have to clean the lower side because this is the one which is going to be underneath the wing, under the wing. But here there are no pin marks, and there's a second pilot, and it's the same pilot, same quality, very good, very nicely molded. Okay, so all that is left now is the bag with the clear parts. Let's open it. I'm gonna hold those against the light first to see, to check. It was a hair, nah? Nah, it's a small scratch, a very small one, very minor, very minor. Clear parts are shiny. They are very shiny and clear. Here on top, I find there is a very, very minor, very tiny scratch, like a hairline scratch. It's hardly visible, but it is visible. It is visible. There's an edge. Yeah, now you can see. It's not very clean, so down here. But besides that, the 3 parts look all right. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful stuff. So here's my rating for the SU-27 Heller kit. For the box, I give 1 rusty, because although the box is a bit too small and the instruction sheet is a bit bended, it's very beautiful, and the way it's wrapped like a gift, that is absolutely worth 1 rusty. For the instructions, I give half a rusty, okay, 0.5 rusty, because yeah, the instruction is old, it's colored, but yeah, it's old. You know what, I cannot give the entire points for that. For the sprues, where we have 4 potential rusties, I give out 2 rusties. One is for the panel lines. The panel lines look very good. And the second one is for the details. Not the entire kit has the same amount of details, but the way the pilot or that front wheel, for instance, are detailed, is that's impressive. That's impressive. And for a kit, also have to be considered from 1990. It's a 1990 molding. The details, yeah, I give them 1 point. No points for flash, because there is flash, and no points for the definition of the parts, because it's not 100% right. So for the clear parts, I give 0 rusties. It's just they are not bad, but if I compare it with other clear parts, no, they fall through. The decals, they get 1 entire rusty, because they're wonderful. They look wonderful. Everything here is always just the unboxing. I haven't built this. It's not about the building. It's just the unboxing and how it looks. Okay, so 1 entire rusty for the decals, and that would leave us with 4.5 rusties. And I give 1 more extra point. just because the fact that it's the Heller rebirth. I really like this, that the brand is coming back. They are very honest. It's printed on the box that the molding is from 1990 and they fully revised it in 2023, but they are completely honest. So then it has a Ukrainian version, or it's only a Ukrainian version. It has the pixel camo. There are 6 versions to do, and 2-in-1 you can do 2 types of the SU-27, the UB and the P version. So I think all in all together, that is worth 1 extra rusty. And yeah, that means 5.5 rusties out of 10. So yeah, that was the first game of how many rusties. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, you know the procedure. Give a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to the channel so we reach the 2K subscriber level as fast as possible. I want to send you out those giveaways, guys. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.